At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a UPS store business can be an exciting venture. Here are the general steps you can follow. 1. Research and planning. Familiarize yourself with the UPS store franchise model. Visit existing UPS stores, talk to franchisees, and gather information about the business. Research the market demand for shipping, printing, and related services in your area. Consider factors like population density, competition, and local business needs. 2. Franchise application. Contact UPS to inquire about franchise opportunities. You can find information on their official website or through franchise directories. Fill out the franchise application and submit it along with any required documents and fees. UPS will review your application and qualifications. 3. Franchise approval and agreement. If your application is approved, you'll receive a franchise agreement outlining the terms and conditions of the franchise relationship. Review the agreement carefully, including fees, royalties, and support services provided by UPS. 4. Location selection. Find a suitable location for your UPS store. Consider factors like foot traffic, accessibility, parking, and proximity to other businesses. Ensure that the location meets UPS's requirements and standards for a franchise operation. 5. Lease negotiation and setup. Negotiate the lease terms for your chosen location. Make sure the lease agreement aligns with your business plan and budget. Set up the physical space for your UPS store, including interior design, signage, furniture, and equipment. 6. Training and certification. Complete any required training and certification programs provided by UPS. This may include training on UPS shipping services, customer service, and business operations. 7. Staffing. Hire and train staff members to help run your UPS store. Look for individuals with customer service experience and a strong work ethic. 8. Grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to attract customers to your UPS store. Offer promotions, discounts, and giveaways to generate interest and excitement. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your UPS store in the local community. Utilize both online and offline channels, such as social media, local advertising, and direct mail. Build partnerships with local businesses and organizations to increase visibility and attract customers. 10. Operations and growth. Once your UPS store is up and running, focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining operational efficiency. Continuously monitor and evaluate your business performance, making adjustments as needed to improve profitability and growth. Remember that starting a UPS store franchise requires a significant investment of time, money, and effort. Be prepared to dedicate yourself fully to the success of your business and adapt to the evolving needs of your customers and the market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.